This is a video of how to configure an input of 0 to 100 kPa to output a current of 4 to 20 mA. When the pressure 0 kPa is measured, it outputs 4 mA. When the pressure 100 kPa is measured, it outputs 20 mA. In run mode, press M key for 3 seconds to enter parameter group 1. Press the M key. I/O refers to the operation mode of the analog output, external input terminal. Press up key to change A-V to A-C. When set to A-C, the measured pressure value is output as a current value. Hold the M key for 3 seconds to return to run mode. Press up key in run mode. Press the M key. A-4 refers to the minimum measured pressure value, that outputs 4 mA. Set A-4 to 0 and press M key. A-20 refers to the max measured pressure value, that outputs 20 mA. Hold down key and set 100. Parameter setting is completed.